Hello students, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma and today we are going to talk about the syllabus of class 9th and SST, that is also known as social science. So this is the syllabus for the session 2021. This is very important for your study, so stay with me. Social science is a compulsory subject up to secondary stage of school education. You all know very well. It is very important subject. So let's see. Very first thing that you must know, that is course structure for class 9th. This is for 9th. Time duration 3 hours, maximum marks 80. 4 books are there, you know very well. India and the contemporary world, that is also known as history. Contemporary India, that is known as geography. Democratic politics, that is also known as civics and economics. Marks 20, 20, 20 and 20. Each subject will carry equal marks and in all there are 80 marks. Now let's talk about course content. The very first, that is history. First chapter in history from section 1, events and processes. All the 3 themes are compulsory. So there are 3 themes in the very first section. What are the 3 themes? The very first one, French Revolution. Second one, Russian Revolution. First one, French Revolution. You have to study French Revolution. And then socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution. Then the third one, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. From history section 1, you have to study all these 3 themes. Next, section 2, livelihoods, economies and societies. Any one out of the following. You have to study any one out of these. The first one, forest, society and colonialism. Second one, pastoralist in modern world. So you have to study any one of these 2. Whether you study forest, society and colonialism, otherwise pastoralist in modern world. Let's talk about second book, that is geography. First chapter you have to study India size and location. Second one, physical features of India. Third one, drainage. Fourth one, climate. Fifth one, natural vegetations and wildlife. Sixth one, population. So you have to study in all 6 lessons in geography. Now let's talk about the third book, that is democratic politics. This book is also known as civics. The very first chapter, what is democracy, why democracy. You have to study this chapter, what is democracy, why democracy. Second one, constitutional design. The second chapter you have to study constitutional design, in which you will study about Constitution of India. Third one, electoral politics, about elections. Fourth one, working of institutions. Next one, democratic rights. So you have to study all these lessons. Now last book you have, that is unit 4, economics. The first lesson you have to study the story of village Palampur. Second, people as resource. Third, poverty as a challenge. Fourth one, food security in India. So if we talk about all the chapters, how many chapters are there in all? Now let's talk about the project work. You have 5th book, that is also known as disaster management. So that book is also essential for you to study. This book is used for giving project work. So you have to prepare project work out of this book. And distribution of mark, you will be given 5 mark for project. Content accuracy, originality and analysis 2 marks. Presentation and creativity 2 marks. Viva 1 mark. In all 5 marks. Prescribed books you have, we have already discussed about it, history, geography, civics, economics and disaster management. List of map items for class 9th 2021. From subject History, Chapter 1, The French Revolution. Outline political map of France will be given, and you have to locate and label or identify these places: Bordeaux, Nantes, Paris, and Marseilles. From Chapter 2, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution, you'll be given outline political map of the world, and you will have to locate and label, otherwise to identify major countries of First World War, Central Powers and Allied nations, Allied powers. In Central Powers, Germany, Austria, Hungary, Turkey, that is also known as Ottoman Empire. Allied powers, France, England, Russia, and USA, United States of America. From History Chapter 3, Nazism and the Rise of Hitler. Outline political map of world will be given. Major countries of Second World War. In second lesson, major countries of First World War. In third chapter, major countries of Second World War. Axis powers, Germany, Italy, and Japan. Allied powers, UK, France, former USSR, that is also known as Russia, USA, United States of America. Territories under German expansion, Nazi power, Austria, Poland, Czechoslovakia. Only Slovakia shown in the map. Denmark, Lithuania, France, and Belgium. So you have to show all these in the political map of world. From Geography, Chapter 1, India size and location. India states with capitals, Tropic of Cancer, standard, meridian, location, and labeling. Chapter 2, Physical features of India. In Chapter 2, you have to remember mountain ranges, Karakoram, Jaskar, Sivalik, Arauli, Vindhya, Satpura, Western and Eastern Ghats, mountain peaks, K2, Kanchenjunga, Anamudi, plateaus, Deccan Plateau, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Malwa Plateau, coastal plains, Konkan, Malabar, Coromandel, Northern Sirkar. Location and labeling. You have to locate these in the map and label. Next, Chapter 3, Drainage. Rivers identification only. You have to identify which river it is. The Himalayan river systems, the Indus, the Ganges, and the Satluj. The peninsular rivers, the Narmada, Tapi, Kaveri, Krishna, and the Godavari, along with Mahanadi. Lakes, Vular, Pulikat, Sambar, Chilka. From Chapter 4, that is Climate, areas receiving rainfall less than 20 centimeter and over 400 centimeter, and this will be for identification only. Chapter 5, Natural vegetation and wildlife. Vegetation type, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, thorn forest, montane forest, and mangrove. For identification only, you will be given these areas and you have to identify. National parks, Corbett, Kaziranga, Ranthambore, Shivpuri, Kanha, Simlipal, Manas. Bird sanctuaries, Bharatpur and Rangan Thitto. Wildlife sanctuaries, Sariska, Mudumalai, Rajaji, Dachigam. Location and labeling. You have to locate and label all these. Chapter 6, Population, location and labeling. The state having highest and lowest density of population. The state having highest and lowest sex ratio. Largest and smallest state according to area.